this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm really excited to take you through a brand new trade that we just received. This is a 2022 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. Let's take a look. Starting off in the cockpit on this 2022 330 Outrage from Boston Whaler, you'll notice we have bolsters all throughout the boat. This is the gray upholstery from Whaler. Stern seat deploys with a nice high backrest. You can easily seat two, and then it stows away really nice and clean. Rod holders along the back. Got a large, tall transom door, so you can easily access the swim platform. Reboarding ladder is on the starboard side, and I can easily access both sides of the swim platforms if I need to get to the engines. The boat is powered by twin 300 horsepower V8 4.6 liter Mercury Verados that feature the top cowling service door, so you can check and add any engine oil. The boat also features joystick. Re-entering the cockpit, we do have a freshwater sprayer. We have tow rails on both sides, rod storage or deck brush storage, big oversized stainless steel cleats, huge fish boxes in the floor on both sides as well. These are pump out fish boxes. Our systems access on this boat is extremely well done with a huge lid. Everything is super easy to get to, very well laid out and easy to keep clean. Boston Whaler does a great job on systems access on all their boats. Over here on the port side, big oversized heavy duty swing in dive door with a connection point for a ladder to make it easier to get in and out of the boat. You've also got a swing-in stainless steel grab handle. This is great for when you're anchored, you're beached, or if you're dragging in that big fish. Additional tow rails here on this port side. We've also got raw and freshwater connections as well. Back side of the leaning post, solid surface countertop with some cup holders. Raise the lid here, and I've got a grill, freshwater sink, paper towel holder, and then two more cup holders as well with a little netted storage area. Beneath this space, we have space for a Yeti cooler that lives on a slide-out track. JL audio sound system throughout the boat. You'll notice there was a subwoofer underneath the leaning post, and we have JL audio speakers back here in the cockpit. Panning up to the hardtop, the powder coating is done in the optional black powder coating. We've got rocket launcher style rod holders along the back of the hardtop. This boat does include the outriggers. There's also a hatch to get up to the top of the hardtop if you needed to, very easily and safely. On the port side of the leaning post, we have three tackle storage drawers. Coming around to the starboard side, we also have a refrigerator. So here at the helm on the 330 Outrage, really nice oversized helm seating area with a double wide seat for your passengers. It's a very comfortable boat to operate whether you're seated or in a standing position. You do have a nice armrest that folds down, both in the middle and on the exterior. Got a nice angled footrest here with some non-skid. Again, whether you're seated or you're standing, it's a comfortable place to rest your feet. Big oversized stainless steel steering wheel that's on a tilt base with a steering knob. Huge dual screens from Marine with touchscreen. 7-inch Mercury vessel view display for all of your engine data. Digital throttle and shift with those Mercury Verados. Digital start and stops. And we've also got that joystick, which includes the skyhook and autopilot features. Dynamic running surface on those auto trim tabs. Active trim, got a nice glove box here. Fusion stereo, remote control, rocker style toggle switches. And we also have the powered vent hatch. It's a really nice feature built into the windshield. Additional glove box style storage up top, Raymarine VHF, and then we have storage for soft items like a throwable or life jackets above the leaning post area under the hardtop. Battery switches and ignition are conveniently located here, close to the driver. Trolling seats midship on both port and starboard. Really nice head area on this boat. The door is on a magnetic catch, so it'll stay open. So down in the head area, we've got a ton of overhead room here with dome lighting over top. Freshwater sink. This is a porcelain toilet with an overboard discharge. You do have the ability to store fishing rods horizontally here. Dedicated space for that reboarding ladder that goes in the receivers on the port side swing and dive door. Nice teak step as you enter. Fusion stereo head unit is located here below, and this whole area drains really nicely so it's easy to keep clean and has plenty of options for storage as well. Now moving up to the bow of the boat, huge chase lounge, easily seats 2 adults. Armrests that raise and lower. We've also got stainless steel cup holders on both sides. This cushion does remove, as do all of the bow cushions, if you want to get them out of the way if you're doing any fishing. You got a tremendous amount of storage beneath the chase lounge. You see how deep this is? There's dedicated space for 2 5-gallon buckets. You can keep all your fenders under here. You can also store fishing rods horizontally that go into the head. Dedicated space for a bow table that mounts just forward here. We've got another deep locker in the front that does drain. See how deep that is? A lot of versatile use there. More storage underneath this forward seat area. Bow table mounts up front. Remote controlled anchor windlass. In addition to what you have control at the helm, you've also got controls up here. Rod holders up here that can also hold a bow shade. So this boat has stainless steel clips underneath the hardtop, and it's ready for a bow shade kit. You've got U-shaped seating up front. Again, super comfortable with cup holders, access to stereo remote, and JL audio sound system here as well. That's a walkthrough of our 2022 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage trade. And if you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. And always check us out online at MarineMax.com. I'm Carl Anderson, and thanks for watching.